Hey everybody, Hunter, Fisher, Trapper, Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter, and Country Cook Steve Hall here in Nashville, Tennessee, along with pretty Miss Sheila. Hi, Shishi.
Hi, this is Shishi.
Hi, this is Jen Jen.
And I'm going to do a recipe today, believe it or not.
She's doing a recipe.
I found one. It was so colorful.
We need those canned applause. Like, shh.
Yeah. Watch people pass out.
So when's Shishi going to do another recipe?
Yeah.
Basically, shut up, Jen. Let Shishi do another recipe. That's what that translates to.
Yes.
Okay, what we got, Shishi?
Well, we got broccoli and apple salad.
Broccoli and apple salad.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Yeah, it's a little colorful.
Okay, so what do we need to start with?
Right now we got a bunch of broccoli.
A bunch?
Yeah, a bunch of broccoli.
We have a bunch of broccoli.
Yeah.
How many? How much? 2 cups? 2 cups of broccoli.
Yeah, in here.
Okay.
And then you just start adding, it's like a half a cup.
Half a cup of carrots.
And half a cup of apples.
I'll move them out of your way as you go.
Yeah. I like all this stuff you just dump, you know.
Sheila likes those easy recipes.
I do. I love
the easier, the better.
Yes, I do.
Okay. Onion, how much there? Half a cup?
Yep, half cup.
Yeah, don't forget to tell him how much is in that thing right there. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, and about a half cup of pecans.
Half a cup of pecans, okay.
Yeah. No, it looks like more than that, but that's about what it was. And dried cranberries.
Well, that would be a very quick and easy recipe just to whip up too, just to, you know, if you're going to somebody's house and you need to bring a side dish for a barbecue.
See, I can't even hold the spoon right.
You want me to hold that for you so you can, flip the salad?
Yeah, so I don't flip it out on the floor.
Okay, so basically you want to mix that all up together. It would take, well, it's easy for most people, but it takes both of us to get this one done. I'll toss and you tell me what's next. So it looks like Greek yogurt.
Yeah, it's
half
Greek
a
yogurt.
cup.
Believe it or not, it's Greek yogurt. Give me, and I'll take.
And my favorite, mayonnaise.
I know you love mayonnaise. And anyway, I'm gonna use this spoon to get the smell.
We're gonna blend this together to make the dressing.
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
I'll be here tossing while you're making the dressing.
Yeah, because you won't have to toss long.
Well, because you were gonna toss it on the floor.
Yeah, remember that?
And.
Well, the other day you tossed it and I ate it.
Okay, so Greek yogurt's in.
Now
mayonnaise.
Here's your favorite mayonnaise.
I know, yeah.
Okay.
I'll move that out of your way.
Yeah,
and what's in this little thing right there?
Lemon juice.
Lemon juice, and about what? Quarter cup of lemon juice?
Yeah, that's about a quarter cup. And a little bit of
salt and pepper?
Mm-hmm. Just a shake. Another shake.
About a spoonful of sugar?
Yeah, a spoonful of sugar. Give me a spoon.
Let me get you a spoon.
Yeah.
A spoon.
A spoon. And like a teaspoon.
Teaspoon. Okay.
There we go. Stand back. You want some goggles or anything?
Yeah, I might need some. Do you want me to do it for you? Ah, she got it! Woohoo!
Okay, that looks pretty good. If it ain't, it ought to be.
So now, once we have our dressing made,
yes,
if it's a little thick, you just want to add a little
bit of water,
just so that it'll pour easy over the salad.
Good.
Okay.
I'm glad I know how to run one of these things.
Thank the Lord.
Yeah.
You got a license to run that one?
Yeah.
Okay, so you just take that and just drizzle that over the salad, all over. That looks good.
Mm-hmm.
And you want it liquidy like that so it makes it easy to mix.
Of course.
And if there's a couple clumps in there, that's okay.
It has texture then.
That's right. So then you just toss the salad.
You want some more mayonnaise on it, that would just make it even better.
Allow me.
Look at that little thing. Okay.
That does look good. If you want it to be pretty, you can put it in another bowl to be pretty, or wipe out this bowl. I would probably just transfer it into another bowl that's not messy. So that looks really good.
It does, don't it? Do you want to try this?
I do want to try this.
You think you're going to like it?
I think I'm going to like it because it looks really yummy.
It does, don't it?
Okay, I'll hold the bowl.
Okay, you hold the bowl.
I'm going to hold the bowl this time.
Okay, you hold the bowl.
Because usually it's the other way around.
Yeah, we're going to hold the bowl. You're going to hold the bowl.
Hold the bowl.
Hold the bowl. Hold the bowl. Plus, we got southern accents
I'll
going
put that
on
over
in here.
Your side.
Okay, that one works.
That looks really good though. All right, let's try this.
Okay. There you go. Now,
Okay.
see what you think.
All right, we're gonna
Ready?
try this. Here we go. Get a piece of apple in there and cranberry and. That's good. Oh, really good. Now see, I don't taste the mayonnaise in that. That's great.
That, and you can also put it in the fridge. You know, make
chill
it.
it?
Yeah, chill it.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I like all these different flavors.
Very good. Well, this is outstanding, and we hope you enjoy this recipe as much as we are. And thanks again for watching, liking, and sharing.
And subscribing.
And don't forget to visit shotgunred.com and submit your recipe. And if we use it on our show, we will send you a free DVD of the Shotgun Red Show Live.
That is the one we did on the General Jackson.
Yes, and it's a really good show. We had amazing players. So anyways, thanks again for joining us. We appreciate you, and we will see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red.
Hi, this is Sheila. No,
Hi.
No, it.
No. No, wait.
wait. Here we go. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You sure?
No,
Okay. Ready.
best one I've made yet. How many is that made? This one and another one be
this
two.
one too. This one and another one will be two.
Oh.
Liking and sharing and subscribing
To our channel.
to our... Isn't that where they would subscribe?
Well, might as well. I mean,
Wait, okay. Let's try it one more time. Okay. All right, ready? And she just took a big bite. She just took a... Are you ready? She go... Okay. Because it was really nice and neat when they first started this thing. And it's just kind of like... Pretty soon, things were starting to fall off the shelves. And now we just... It's like a big, messy pantry like we all have at home.
Out in the other part of the house.
Or like in Sheila's pantry. It looks like it out here now.
Don't forget to visit shotgunred.com.
We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.